Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to look at the clips on PlayStation app which you have saved or which you have clipped during the gameplay or anything like that. So if you want to look or view the game clips on PlayStation app, then you need to simply follow the steps shown in the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now the first step will be to install the PlayStation app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that you need to simply open the PlayStation app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after logging into your account, you need to tap on the game library option at the bottom of the screen. So you will see the game library option at the very bottom of the screen and you need to click on the option of it, and from here you need to go on the capture section which will be shown on the screen like this. So you will be on the game section, so you need to simply transfer it to the game capture section and you will see the recently uploaded game clips and screenshot on this app. So you'll be able to see all of it on this. So if you have not enabled auto upload, then you need to go on the PS5 or PS4 which you are using, and you need to go on settings and go on capture and broadcast and simply click on the option of capture. So after doing all of it, you will be able to see the captures which you have done on your PS app, and after doing all of it, you may simply look at the clip by clicking on the clip which you want to look. So that's it. That's how you can look at the clips on your PlayStation app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.